In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GST tax in Zoho Invoice. If you're new to handling taxes in Zoho or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can ensure your invoices are properly set up with the correct tax information. First things first, let's head over to your Zoho Invoice dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a menu located on the left side of the screen. This menu is your go-to place for navigating through the different features of Zoho Invoice. Our goal is to handle the invoices, so go ahead and click on the Invoices option in that menu. Now you have two choices here. Either you can look through the existing invoices to add GST tax, or you can start from scratch and create a new invoice. If you're dealing with an existing invoice, just select the one you wish to update. Otherwise, let's dive into creating that new invoice to see the entire process in action. With the invoice open, it's time to add the items that you're billing for. Choose the item or service by either typing it in or selecting it from your pre-existing list. Once you've chosen your item, take a closer look at the options available for it. Now focus your attention on the tax drop-down menu. This is where all the magic happens, and it's crucial not to skip this step if you want to ensure your invoice reflects GST. The drop-down menu will list different types of tax options that you can apply. For this video, we're specifically interested in GST, so go ahead and select that option. If you have further questions about GST or its application, do remember that consulting with a qualified accountant or tax professional is always a wise option. They can provide customized advice based on your unique situation. Once you've applied the GST to your item, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the rates and totals to make sure they look right. When everything appears to be in order, go ahead and click the Save button. This is a critical step as it finalizes all the changes you've made. It ensures that your invoice now includes the GST, and it's ready to be sent out to your client. That's it. You've successfully added GST to your Zoho invoice. This small yet powerful tweak not only keeps your accounting precise, but also helps you comply with tax regulations smoothly. Make sure to follow these steps every time you need to apply GST to an invoice. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next tutorial.